HTML, hypertext markup language, and CSS, cascading style sheets, are two fundamental technologies that work together to create and style web pages, but they serve distinct purposes and have different roles in web development. Understanding their differences is essential for anyone looking to build or design websites. The primary difference between HTML and CSS lies in their purpose and function. HTML is a markup language used to structure and organize content on the web. It defines the elements of a web page, such as headings, paragraphs, images, links, and lists. You can think of HTML as the skeleton of a web page, organizing everything so the browser knows what to show. CSS defines the visual aspects of a web page, such as colors, fonts, spacing, and positioning, allowing designers to add style to web page. HTML and CSS also differ in their syntax and structure. HTML uses a tag-based syntax, where elements are enclosed in angle brackets and often come in pairs, with opening and closing tags. These tags provide the instructions for browsers on how to display content. CSS, on the other hand, uses a rule-based syntax. Each rule consists of a selector, for example, p, or class, that targets HTML elements, and a declaration block that contains one or more declarations defining the styling properties, for example, color or font size. HTML and CSS have a complementary yet interdependent relationship. HTML can exist without CSS, but a web page created solely with HTML would be plain and lack visual appeal. CSS, on the other hand, needs HTML to function, as it relies on HTML elements to add the style and visual enhancement. Another key difference is how HTML and CSS are implemented. HTML is written inside the main web page file, so it is a core part of the content. CSS, on the other hand, can be implemented in three ways: inline, within HTML elements; internal, inside style tag in the HTML document; or external, in a separate CSS file linked to the HTML document. HTML is like the bones in the body, as it gives shape and holds everything together. CSS is like the clothes and makeup, as it makes things look nice and stylish. I hope you like this video. For more interesting videos, stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.